Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is from the hadith book Sahih Muslim 2085. So this dua is very effective in order to save us from the false blames and litigation and troubles and problems that are coming to us mostly without the truth. So if we request Allah with this dua every day, then Allah will help us from all types of false complaints, blames, cheating and troubles, and even the jealousy, even all types of defame. So Allah will protect us completely and fully, inshallah. So we read this dua, inshallah. You try to read it every day so you can get the shelter of Allah in order to protect you from all types of allegations and troubles, problems throughout the world up to the rest of your life, inshallah. So, 𝙊𝙪𝙧 𝘾𝙤𝙪𝙧 Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ma amiltu wa min sharri ma lam amal. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ma amiltu wa min sharri ma lam amal. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ma amiltu wa min sharri ma lam amal. Now is translation. Allahumma, O Allah, inni indeed, I a'udhu bika, I beg for protection from you. Min sharri ma amiltu, against the evil what I have done. Wa min sharri ma lam amal, and from the evil what I have not done. Sometimes the evil or bad things is not done by us, but we are entangled in the blame of that, and trouble comes to us. So when we read this dua, then we will be free from that trouble. If someone will do it, that person will be entangled in that one automatically by Allah. And Allah will punish that person automatically, because we are requesting Allah, we are getting the shelter of Allah against all these false and troubles of the people that they can blame us or wrong way. So Allah protect us from them completely and fully, inshallah. So we try to read this dua every day. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri ma amiltu wa min sharri ma lam amal. O Allah, indeed I beg for protection from you against the evil what I have done, and from the evil what I have not done. So inshallah, Allah will save us from all types of troubles and problems if we continue to read this dua every day, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, in order to get more benefit of this dua. Inshallah, Allah will give us shelter against all types of troubles, blames and disturbance that comes through the creation of Allah in this world, and the world hereafter will be better for us, and inshallah we get our place in paradise with the grace of Allah. Allah gave us tawfiq to read this dua every day once at least. Ameen.